Azure. Next, you are going to build based on the usage meters. Okay, when you provision any Azure resource, like you provision a virtual machine, Azure creates one or more meter instance for that resource. So Azure is going to create a 1 meter, like it will keep on monitoring how much CPU is utilized, how many IP addresses you had used, how much data you transferred in or you transferred out, or how much standard disk you used, hot operations, input output operations you did. All these are going to be calculated by using this meter. The meters track the resource usage, and each meter generates a usage record that is used to calculate your bill. So basically this meter will track the resource of usage, how much you utilized it, and each meter will be generated, like it will generate some sort of records which will be used for a calculation. For example, a single virtual machine that you provisioned in Azure might have the following metrics tracking its usage, like we discussed, right? Like you will have a compute power, how much CPU you utilized, how many public IP addresses you had used, how much data transferred, in and out, how much standard disk capacity you had used, what operations you had done on that managed disk. All this will be calculated. So this is how your pricing will be based on. So I hope this helped you. Thank you.